Hello everyone, my name is Parth and I'm an international student at St. Lawrence College, Kingston campus. I'm currently studying in project management program since January 2020 and which will end in August 2020. And for my future, I'm going to take international business management in fall 2020. I'm from Gujarat state of India, which is in the west part of India, and I'm a trilingual person knowing Hindi, English, and Gujarati. I have completed my Bachelor's of Science with Mathematics subject, and I have experience of being a project manager and business development executive at NXC Controls Private Limited company. In my family, my father and my brother are having their own business that pulls me into the business field of study. And I know that Canada is an excellent country for business education. And of course, the fate brings me here into the SLC because honestly speaking, SLC was my second choice for studying in Canada. But the first one was to accept me, and I never regret being here. Kingston campus is really very nice campus, and it has provided us each and every facilities needed so far. I love the faculties here because they are so lovely, kind, respectful, and full of knowledge. They don't just help us with the studies, they also help us with the various aspects of our life. And I also love the cultural events held here because they reduce the gaps between the cultures, and international students actually have the chance of representing their own culture, and that makes these events so unique and special. I always love and enjoy being here. I want to share my experience of being a volunteer in Canada. For that, I would like to thank Tiana Davies, my program coordinator, who carried my attention to this opportunity, and I am finally working at Robinson Community Garden as a project manager as a volunteer. I also help them with gardening to help feeding the community, and I love making the native friends there because people there are so nice and I enjoy working with them. At last, I want to add that St. Lawrence College is one of the best colleges of Ontario, and also the faculties are awesome. And I always feel proud to be SLC. Thank you.